Stramara was born with chronic pain.
I was born with bone deformities, and throughout my life I just thought everybody else had pain, so I never said anything growing up.
But a fall caused her to develop migraines, and her chronic pain soon became unbearable.
And I started taking a lot of medications to numb the pain.
But that's not how she wanted to live the rest of her life. So Kat signed up for the chronic pain workshop.
To see hope emerge from individuals who are in so much pain that when they come in, some of them, this is the first thing they've done. They don't even get out of the house, but they want out of that pain so bad that they force themselves to come in and see, will one more thing work? And they find it does.
The Chronic Pain Workshop is a complimentary 6-week class offered throughout Lee County. The goal is to give participants support while teaching them how to manage their pain naturally.
They want to get off of the pain meds and they want to feel better. If they will commit to the 6 weeks, their lives will be changed as far as their pain is concerned.
The class teaches meditation, nutrition, and different forms of physical activity to help participants better cope with their pain.
It's helped wonderfully. I've learned to pace myself instead of trying to do everything in one day because I'm very energetic. I probably decreased to maybe 10 or 12 pills over the past few years.
A program that's changing the way patients live with chronic pain. For Lee Health, I'm Lindsay Morton.